Hey, welcome back, Big Red Money Pit Garage. What we're doing today, 383 build. It's a Vortec 350 block, punched out 30 over, had a machine shop put cam bearings in it. I got a 383 HT383 Cam for it, Scat 400 crank, rods, pistons, bearings, piston rings, a bunch of assembly lube, and hopefully some Melling lifters, new push rods, engine Quest 903, I think, heads. We'll show you those here in a little bit. We'll verify what they were. They came off of a Jasper block that I got out of a boat that had very, very, very low miles, but during our freeze, they left water in it and cracked and destroyed the block. So the bottom end was all good, the heads were good, and that's what I'm using for this. Got another 350 block that we had punched out at a local machine shop, and we should be building at least part of the bottom end today. This will probably be a 2 or 3 part video to get the motor in, and then I'll kind of show you the Tahoe here that this is going into. This all started because I bought it out of Houston, had really good interior, and I wanted to drive it. Had engine oil and coolant mixed. Turns out it looks like the radiator leaked internally for the engine cooler, for the oil cooler, and the guy just kept driving it, spun bearings, it was bad. So that is where we're at now. And as soon as we get everything set up here, I'll get back with you guys and show you what we got. So there we've got some of the pistons, the block back from the machine shop, the cam, upgraded MPFI injector, the engine stand it's going to go on. I'll just sit in here on a cart. Gotta go get the crankshaft out of the Tahoe. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. This is the 97 Tahoe I bought that the 383 is going to go into. It does need work, but I think once it's all done, it'll make a really good daily driver. Put some seat covers on it and take it to the beach kind of rig. Give you a little sneak peek here. Couple different things going on all at once. Shout out to Coleman, his fault. They're always hooking up the parts. We'll need some bumper pieces and a few other things, but there's the balanced crank. So let me get that inside and get it set up for you. There's Michael Money Pit Garage. And there's the 383. Just get cleaned up a little bit. We will we'll make it right. Fresh on the engine stand. So we just completed doing the lifter bore. Now we're going to do a hone in here to kind of clean up some of that surface rust. It was wrapped in plastic and oil, but it's real damp in this garage, so we're going to get that cleaned up with that tool right there. As soon as we get done with that, we'll get back with you. Very nice. We'll do one more here and then we'll get back to you once we get all done. Good old shop dog. Guess they didn't oil this side up.
They didn't oil anything.
We'll get it taken care of. This is now turned into a couple-day video. Thanks for watching. That wraps up part 1. We're gonna do part 2, maybe part 3. Just cleaned up the crank. It had a little bit of surface rust. Just got kind of a freak rainstorm here. Wasn't expecting it. The shop does leak a little bit of water into it. The foundation and the dimensions of the building don't match up. So they had to cut the sides, you know, and put some caulking around it to get it to seal, but it doesn't sit right or seal right. Not much I can do about that, but appreciate it. Comment, let me know what you guys think so far. Go ahead and tell me what I did wrong. It's a dirty, quick rebuild. It's not going to be professional yet. It is my first time. I'm learning how to do it. So worst case, blows up. Gotta do it again. Thanks for watching, you guys.